Okay, in the square devices, we actually have two form factors, two models. They look very much the same, but they're slightly different. One of them, which is here to my right, is 173 millimeters by 40. And then the one on the left is 165 millimeters by 47. So slightly smaller, deeper, slightly wider, and shallower. Both models will actually fit the new First Alert Nest Pro device. This is what it looks like here. And then it also fits into here, but it sits slightly lower by a few millimeters. And the reasons we have two models is because this is, although could be universal to fit in both, the other model that's slightly deeper is intended for the Gentex, which we get a lot of requests for. It's a new Gentex square device that is intended for both high voltage and low voltage applications for tying in with alarm systems. And that device is slightly deeper, and therefore we have that secondary model. But if you're using a standard line voltage smoke detector, technically it can be mounted in both locations. Just like most of our GU models, GU stands for universal, comes with a ring in the box that fits right from the back. This ring adapts to a 4S box, so 4-inch square box for line voltage application if you need it. If you're just mounting a low voltage device, you can just mount it with the ring. You don't require a back box. The other advantage with these models is that you can, in applications where maybe you're using Romex and you're not using metallic cables, you're able to not use the ring and mount a retrofit box from the front, which is an old work box that would be a plastic box that could be mounted with ears that would grab it, and now you can use non-metallic application wiring. So these units are pretty flexible so that you can use them for low voltage application, high voltage with metal conduits, or low voltage boxes with non-metallic conduits.